Hey guys, Jet 888. It is October 13th today. I'm going to show you a video that it's in the dark, so it's really tough to see, but that's why I'm showing you this right now in the daytime. So when I start the video in the dark, I'm kind of up here looking that way. The tower's over here. We can't really see it. It's over here a little bit more. And I'm going to walk behind the shed. Here's actually a picture of it now. A couple of years ago they did something to upgrade it or something, but they had it covered like that for months, and now it looks again like this. And this tower happens to be an American tower. Look at the anagram, New Crematoria. I just thought that was sort of interesting. And this is the base of that tower looking towards the arena. Isn't that interesting though? It had that, looks like a headstone. There's your cell tower. Okay, I'm going to show you, so it's going to be dark for the most part. But here are the readings from this microwave tower that I just showed you. Okay guys, I am at Rohr Park. It is during park hours. Now, a lot of times I show the monstrosity of that cell tower. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to see it right now. So here is looking at that cell tower. See that? These are the readings I'm getting at that cell tower over there. So this is at Rohr Park, where people hang out. Now I'm going to go around. You can't see, but we're by the shed. I'm going to go around to where the bleachers are, where people are supposed to sit. So people are supposed to be sitting here. These are bleachers. I don't think you can see. Look at the peak, 9.1, 3. Now I'm going to kind of the entrance of where we take our horses to enter the horses into the park. So you're peaking at 15, now 12, now 14. So these are the microwaves that you're getting when you're at the park. And this is the Sunnyside Saddle Club building here. This is the entrance into the arena. Seems a little high for a public park, doesn't it? All right. And I'm just saying, you're at a public park. Here's some runners. Don't know if they just ran by the shed. All right. So this is what we got every time we would walk our horses into this facility. These are the readings. Say that's a little high. So it's September 25th.